Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today our topic is gonna be blood vessels. Now think of it like that. Blood vessels are nothing but a tube. A tube is there and in that tube a fluid is getting being carried. Okay. Now this tube is called as blood vessel. And in blood vessel what will be getting carried? Definitely blood. So blood vessels are nothing but a tube, a conducting tube, a conducting tube. Why conducting? Because they are transporting. These tubes are transporting blood. So conducting tube that will carry blood throughout the body. Now there are three types of blood vessels. Blood vessels are of three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Now, what are they? So we will be discussing everything with respect to our heart. Okay, so let's suppose this is my heart. This is my heart. Cute, lovely heart. Now, in that heart, some tube means blood vessel will be carrying blood into the heart. Yes, heart pumps blood. So, some tube will be there that will carry blood. Some tube will be there that will carry blood into the heart. Now, blood vessels. These blood vessels are called as veins. Okay, so veins are those blood vessels that will carry blood towards the heart. They are called as veins. And again, there will be some vessels that will carry blood away from the heart. Heart is pumping blood, so blood will be carried away from the heart as well. So those blood vessels that will carry blood away from the heart will be called as arteries. Now, A for artery, A for away from heart. And veins carry blood towards heart. Now, okay, away. Now, focus on these arteries. These arteries are carrying blood away from the heart. But where is this blood getting carried? Again, to the body parts. It's so simple. To the body parts. So, suppose this is my body part. This is my body tissue where this blood will be getting carried. Okay. So, my blood got carried here in the body parts to my body tissues. And from here, from this body tissue, my blood will be sent back to heart like this. Okay, everything is clear till here. Yeah. Now, here in this body tissue, these blood vessels, the veins and the arteries, they will break down into finest capillaries, into finest blood vessels, and these finest blood vessels will be called as capillaries. So you can say that capillaries are interconnecting link. They are interconnecting arteries and veins. So capillaries interconnect arteries and veins. Now see, suppose my heart is pumping out a blood and that blood has oxygen. Definitely that blood has oxygen and that needs to be carried here to the body tissue. Now this oxygenated blood will come here to the body tissue. Now, this oxygen will be delivered to tissues through these capillaries. Okay, then my body tissue will respire, carbon dioxide will be produced, and carbon dioxide will be released. Now, this carbon dioxide or waste products will be sent back to capillaries, means exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide. This exchange part is taking place where? In capillaries. So exchange of oxygen, exchange of carbon dioxide, or let's say any nutrient is there that I want to take out from this blood. So again, That will take place in capillaries. Any waste substance is generated here. Now I want to send it back to blood vessels. So that exchange part will again take place in capillaries. So exchange will take place in capillaries. Exchange of what? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, nutrients, other waste products as well, and other substances. That exchange part is going to take place in capillaries, in these capillaries. Okay, so let's recap of what we have studied. Blood vessels are nothing blood but a conducting tube that will carry blood. Now, blood vessels are of three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries will carry blood away from heart. Veins are gonna carry blood towards the heart, and capillaries are the finest blood vessels that will interconnect arteries and veins, and exchange of nutrients, water, carbon dioxide, and other things, other substances will take place in these capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from heart to different parts of the body. Veins carry blood towards heart to different parts of the body. And capillaries are the finest blood vessels that will conduct, that are gonna connect, interconnecting between arteries and veins. They are the principal sites of exchange of water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide and other substances. So here our blood capillaries come to an end. Hope you like the video.